I'm gonna run up and get the mail because Rusty Acres says I got a package waiting for me up there, and I think I know what it is, and I'm excited about it. Oh, the joy. Post office. Post office. Today's adventures in Rat Rod Land are brought to you by Rusty Acres. Rusty Acres, the place where Mopars go to escape annihilation on the Crusher. And by Rusty Acres' trusty sidekick, Cutworm 59. I might have made that last part up. Now, Rusty Acres told me with his own face, with his own lips, I heard him say it, that he was sending me a set of Model A tail lights and tag holder. What he didn't tell me is that rascal, he went out and bought brand new stuff because it's still packaged up in the boxes and the packages and everything. He went out and bought me brand new stuff to go on my refrigerated Rat Rod trailer. Look at this. Just look at this. I'm going to open this up and we'll all look at it together at the same time and all. He bought this here. Look at this. Oh, just look at that. Look at that. That looks like the real deal right there. Looky here. Looky here. Looky here. Oh, and it's got the stop sign. You see the stop sign that lights up right there? Luke Palioka was just talking about some of that the other day about having a tail light with stop lights on it, and that's what that is right there. Boy, you couldn't ask for more than that. And he got me two, not one but two, of these trusty, I could say rusty trusty, but they're not even rusty, but he got me two of these tail light perches. And the way these babies work is that this bolts to the fender, and this tag plate bolts to that, like this, and then this light bolts to that, like this. And then you put the whole thing up on your trailer, like that. Oh, just look at it. Just look at it. It's lovely. I think this end goes right there. Is that right? That end? Yeah, that end. That end goes right there, and this goes on that. And see, this mounts on the trailer, on the fender on the trailer. Look at that. Just look at it. That's lovely. And you know what I'm going to do today? I'm going to put them babies on there because I'm excited. I'm so excited. Woo! And it's a little bit sweaty outside, which you wouldn't think, because it's been a little coolish the last few days, and the weatherman says it's going to be a little coolish for a few days, but however and all, that don't matter, because I got me a fan right here. I'm in here with my fan. I'm going to bring my trailer right in here. We're going to sit in here in nice, cool comfort and enjoy. We're just going to enjoy. So, Rusty Acres, thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. He said, you can spray some primer on that nice, fresh, shiny paint. And I said, heck no, buddy. If I got something shiny, I'm going to flaunt it. I don't need to paint over it. I'm going to wear it. Oh, and I got something cool that I don't even think Rusty Acres knows about yet, but Cool Hand Luke knows about it. And I'll go get it. And I'll show it to you. This is going to be perfect with that. This emblem right here was on Phil the refrigerator, and what Luke Palioka, who gave me that refrigerator, said is you ought to use that for a license plate thing, and I can. I'm thinking I put the license plate on here, and I can put this Philco sign on top of the license plate. Won't that look lovely? Oh, that'll just look lovely. Look at it. Just look at it. So, we are in like Flint, buddy. Let me tell you. Yes, we are. Yes, we are. Yes, we are. Let's go bring a trailer in here and we'll look at it some more.